What's up, guys? This is Varag, and welcome to Bits Lab. Today, I will start with Power BI for beginners. Uh, so, let's start. Okay. So, first of all, here's the link for Power BI, Microsoft Power BI. I will give you a small introduction to Power BI. So, basically, we can do data visualization using Power BI for. We can have some analytics using existing data. And you can also do some transformation. You can pull data in from any source like Excel or web page table or any RDBMS or Hadoop or anything. Almost all connectors are there. So uh, we'll go in deep later in later sessions. First of all, we'll start with like how you can install the Power BI desktop. So this video is regarding that, and it's for beginners. So you can go to this link and you can hit this Power BI desktop. There are different versions that are just use this Power BI desktop and sign up for free. Uh, but for that, for Power BI desktop, you don't need to sign up. So just download and install. I already have one installed one, so I will start that. Meanwhile, I will share this data here. So basically, you can pick any data, but I will start with SQL Server arguments, and we can pick any of these tables here. Go with this fact cell table, or yeah, we'll start with text. I prepare one table, and you can see there's employee and employee details. We will talk on that. I'll choose what's there in this employee, and okay, here we have two employees with their name and code, and here we have this list of their working hours, days here, and how many hours to work, kind of stuff. So let's see what we can do with that. So yes, it's up. Click on get data. So this is how it started. It asked to get data first. Okay, so we'll connect to SQL Server. So this is your connection window. So you can just write down your SQL Server Connect instance name, PC in my case, and we have this test database. So don't worry about this connection more right now. We will pick the import. We will talk more on later sessions and hit OK. So now you can see there's a navigator window, and you can pick these tables, and it will also show some data out there. And also click on refresh if required. Just hit the load. This is a quick video actually, so this just make you up and running with Power BI desktop. So this is internet only for beginners. So basically, it's pulling this data from RDBMS, and we have this in SQL Server 2016, and from there it's pulling data into its in-memory architecture. So now we have these two tables, and this is something different that you can go to theory part of Power BI, how it's storing data in memory, what is columnar uh, dimension model kind of thing. So you can go through that, or probably I will publish more detailed video on that. But right now, just uh, start with this. So here we have this employee and employee details table, and you can see these fields out here, and we have this page. Now first it's untitled. Let's start with save this file. I will say it like demo one. or you can say it. So here's a demo on Robert's lab. Oh, okay. So we save our file, and now you can see these three things here. These are reports. So right now we are in report view, and then we have data view here, and then we have this relationship view. So I will pick this relationship. You can see it's automatically identify or detect this relationship, this employee name and code. You can see this code. So this is a one-to-many relationship. So I'll consider right now, you know, this what is one-to-many, man-to-many, and what kind of relationships are there. So now, okay. So these are PBIX file, and we have this first report. So we can call it summary. So we have the summary here. We have the details of that summary. So we'll bring these visuals here. So now I will give you an introduction about this UI. Yeah. So here's this menu. We have this home, view, and modeling. So here you can edit or enter data or refresh the data. And then you have this different manager relationship that we already, this auto detect, we already done with that. And finally, you can, once you ready with your report, you can also publish to cloud. And then later you can embed it to your website. So there are a lot of scope out there with this. Let's start with some filter first, like employee name. So see, it's automatically identifies something. But here I will pick this one slicer, so I can pick anyone of this. And now, once we have this visual here, you can see this visual property and format is there, the fields are there, and analytics. So three things. Basically, we talk about these two things, format and fields. So first of all, we have this slice visual, in that there is one field. So we need to pull this field here. So now you have these two names. Here you can add a select drop down on list. You can see. So other than this, right now we are fine with this list out here. And then we have this header here. So you can see what formats offers this. You have the border, so you can see this border is there. You can have like lock aspects. Okay, that's something different that we'll talk later on. You have this background, so you can have this background color out there. I will choose a lighter color, and then I have title here. I will say like apply there. Okay, and pick darker, so white, and I have just dark color up there. See, it's 15. See, let's make it visible. So now I have this title, so I don't need the header. So I will select and hide the header. Don't need it. Okay. And also you can have like selection, single selection is on. If you want two of them, you can select all. So, or either of this, or you can have single selection. Okay. So I'll keep it single selection right now. And then we have this item here. So there also you can change this color, background color, and apply there as well. I don't need it right now. And the size of this item, oh, it's look good now. and the front, and so you can click around that. For now it is fine for me. So now we will pull this data here. So let's see what's data is there. So we have this weekend and working date. It's better, yeah. Working date is there, then we have total hours. So by default picked is you can see the tooltip cluster column chart. So you have different charts out here. So we'll start with this cluster column. Depends how you want to present this data. And once I have this working date here on axis, and now you can see this. See, this is about the how many hours this employee work in the morning, during his office hours, and during his night hours. So it's better to have this stacked column chart. So you can see now for each day. Just let me have this categorical part, and yeah. So legends, and we can have title is here. Code is title and working hours, something. And we can have this white and this black title, and here's 15. Okay, so we're good to go. And for visual help, you can enable this in view. You have show grid lines and snap objects to the grid. So you can see these objects can be bound with these grid lines. So that will help you. So I will remove this background. I don't like it. So I will simply select this and go to items. Yeah. So I'm good to go. You can see now this bar chart for this day, and you can play around this, and you can have this a lot of option out here. Legend is there, axis, y-axis, data colors. If you want to change these colors, something like that, you can do it. And see how this data is changing when we are selecting, because of the relationship we had maintained in this relationship. And so you want to see the labels of these bars, you just simply select this and can enable this labels. So you can see now this data here. And also see, it is, you can change if you want to change this date formats. So you can go to this model link here and just simply format you want. Now it's more readable format right now. See? So guys, here's our first report. And the same way you can have this table, and you can have this feeds out there, morning, night, and office. So you can say office and then night, and you have this working date, and you have the employee name. So here I want to have this table actually. So you can see now, table, and see the fields, correct? And the dates format, and even you can copy and paste and see. Simply I will hit the copy. Now I will Control V. So now I filter details on that. Simply go to this and add a title here. Say it's details. And how does I want to make it simple right now. Okay, and you have this value fields. And you can also increase this to 12. Okay, so this is our first report, and you can see there's difference between this report and dashboard. But right now we have this report, and that's how it works. So you can also click and play around it. You will have these details you can see on mouse over. You can filter out, and you can use these different visuals. There are a lot out there. So that's it for this first video. Just write your comments and subscribe my channel. It's Bits Lab. It's free, and give me your ideas, your thoughts on which topic you want to see the video. Uh, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Happy weekend.